Every day we got to walk through the hood just to get to work. The struggle's real. We're back on this one, you banging family members. I know what you're thinking. K-Dog, you've been there like for 4 days, and you're right. This is my 3rd day. There's some stuff added to it, and we love that. Thank you to our customers that just want us to keep doing more work. That's awesome. Hammer and Carlito is on the way. They're 2-hour trip, so I got to bang this out real quick. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna have Hammer just go ahead and drop, coming this way, back out. And the big thing is, if I get that weight off of it, turn around, it ain't near as bad. I mean, it gets high side here, and you know, so get that weight out. We're just gonna tailgate on in versus coming in loaded. So let's get this banged out. We got 2 days to get this one done, and we got rain Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So let's go. Would you look at that? My earmuffs are gone. Dang. Look at all that dirt and stuff I got out of the middle. Tell me that thing ain't worth its weight in gold. Well, here we go. The fun begins. I told Hammer stay out of the yard. That's good. Pop it! Well, over to tailgate spread. God damn it. I tell you what. It's always something. Hit the brakes! Try it again. Hammer's off. Boy, that was a fiasco, wasn't it?
Yeah.
All that rain, it did not want to spread. We got our work cut out for it, plus we got plenty of time.
Yeah.
Pulling these edges in. I just called Hammer and told him, I said, go from my other pile. I think this is the clean out pile. But the other day when I called, she said there was a pile that you didn't want and wasn't worth a crap. And I think we got it. Another reason I like working close to home. I always come here and get more tools or whatever I need. Looks like I'm gonna be taking this bad boy to the job site. I'm gonna look like a Mad Max. Might as well just do it now, and instead of trying to get Hammer's truck here tomorrow. I'm just gonna drive this down there, and I got plates for it, nothing else. It'll be all right. We're just going off the road. So I left Hammer and Cole there, and I just texted Cole. I said, hey, have him back into the turn and tailgate it out. Let's see what happens. Let's see if them two can handle it. I got to start letting go. I feel like I got to be on every job, and I guess that's a standard I hold, you know, but just let them do their thing, see if it can happen. I tell you, this is not gonna start, but it's a nice truck. And the guy that's doing the paint job, man, he sent me pictures of the paint that he put on it. Wow, looks awesome. Looks real good. Maybe that's a sign from the heavens. Keep this son of a gun in the garage. But no, I'm not going to. I'm going against it. Let's do engine start mode. See if that does it. I hear it whistling. Next thing you'll hear is an explosion. I've had that happen before. I got some batteries and I did that, and I don't know, for some reason it blew up. Exploded. And of course it was one of those, it was a battery shop here in town, and they're like, oh yeah, like 5-year warranty or whatever. And that's when I was working on a truck, and I did it, and it was like within a year, and they wanted to prorate it, like, oh yeah, you get 25 bucks. I said, all right. Jeez, this thing's deader than 2 doornails. Let her set go for about 5 minutes. Put a real good charge in. I wonder if I'm supposed to do like I'm not sure. Put a new solenoid on this thing yesterday. I don't know if it still didn't fix it. I think it's a bad connection or something. That's nice and shiny looking. I sanded this down and got them fibers out of there. We'll put another coat on it. Cables are hot. Guess that means something's happening. I'll put it over to that side. Like I said before, fam, if the universe is fighting you, that's probably just trying to tell you something. That truck won't start, and the solenoid's bad on that thing, so that plan's shot. We'll have to take Hammer's truck here tomorrow. So the universe told us, don't drive the Mad Max truck. You're probably gonna go around the corner and fly out and get ran over. So, all right, we're not gonna do that. So let's try to get this other implement. All you bangers are saying you need to use this with the bristles on it. Okay, let's do that. We'll use the bristle one here. And then the problem is with that, you're dealing with a gas powered machine here and it doesn't want to start. So this could be the very last day for this thing, because I'm not gonna mess with here. I'm gonna take it to a job, and when it doesn't start, I'm probably gonna wrap it around a tree because it's Monday and just really ain't in the mood to be jacked with by some piece of equipment that's not gonna run. So let's go, let's see if we can, let's just hope that thing starts. See what this says here: mixed fuel, high output, VP mixed. I got some, the guy I sold the shop off had some of this sitting over. It's C11, so I bought a couple cans of that. And I mix like 25-75 race fuel in there just to keep the fuel good. So we'll put that in it and see what it does. Might burn it up, might not even start. Let's get Hammer's secret weapons there. Oh, I'm gonna take this too, because you know, if I take it, we might not need it. So that's like warding away the getting jacked up in the tailgate. Probably a good thing I didn't take that, because I'd end up splashing mud and all stuff down the side, and I still got to put another coat of paint on it. Perfect timing. Look at this. Hammer's here, I'm here. See how this patch looks. Man, it just looks, if it ain't even angled up like that other stuff. Bring it on back, Hammer Dog. Little new method here. We're going to just play pop the gate. Slow down. I don't know what the hell he's doing. He's going too fast. I don't know. Getting a lot of squirters. Got mud in it. This shit ain't worth a crap. This rain makes it difficult to make anything look good. You get squirters and then it's Monday, you know, so you got that going with you. It's packed up. Open him up, though. Get her out there. Tis the season. Good knuckle duster. Wrestle that limestone around. I'm not gonna have crispy lines on this job when it's coming out like this. Bite down, killer. Here comes the fun. It's gonna be a long couple days. All thinking we can do is just put our head down and keep banging loads and grading them out and keep going forward. Got a lot more room now to back around. He dug all that up. Cool like Fonzie. Why is he? That's good. Pull up. We're just gonna dump the whole thing right here. Damn, look at that. Turning, cracking, booming, banging, and popping. Just cut her all right there. I'm not gonna mess with trying to tailgate it. Now watch, I'll cut this right here and it's perfect. But we got all them tree branches and stuff in the way too, so. Damned if you do, damned if you don't. That does look a little different. Look how it's just, look how much it's, how high that thing is. And it's still, undo your bed. Undo the bed. Open the bed. That could have been dead late. Time to pull on up. He don't have to raise no more. Just like that. Catastrophe avoided. Catastrophe avoided. If you know, you know. OrschellX.com. Ready, unit?
Yep.
Ah! You want to go with him?
Do I need to?
No.
I would say my truck's at his house.
We're trying to make excuse for I've got your eye black. You're good. Just like that. What? What time is it? What time is it? 2. Well, I'll just take you there. We'll get him there. Oh! And just like that. Yeah, I'm just gonna bucket that. I'm not even gonna try tailgating. Hit it going backwards. Like I said, you always got to be rethinking, reinventing whatever's going on, because that wasn't working. I mean, that was squirting so bad. For 2 hours, we've been doing nothing but working those edges, trying. I guess if you didn't give a shit what stuff looked like, but if it bears my name, it's going to be right. You know, it's going to look down that sumbitch, it's going to look like an arrow. So we're going to dump. Hammer's going to get one, and then he's going to keep it in the pipe at his house. I'll have him back in first thing in the morning, kill it. If you're not If I'm not with you, just have him back in,
Okay.
kill it, and then that'll give us plenty to do. So that'll be 4. It's bid for 5, but she said she might want 6, and then we'll start dipping the pond out. Put this one behind us, and then we'll be able to move on to the next one. Big demo. You're gonna want to stay tuned for that, guys. This pretty new house caught on fire, chimney fire, burned it up. We gotta do some meticulous stuff here. They're saving the foundation, and it's got a full basement in it. So stay tuned. Hammer's gonna be like a kid in a candy store. We're walking through that one, and then slide Orschell X to get some dirt family. That's why it says dirt family. It's because you're family. Well, till tomorrow. It was always fun. It was Monday, but keep living 100. Nobody else gonna do it for you. Work truck. Found another dent. I did forget to try to start this thing, so let's see if this son of a gun hit. I seen you over here making love to it. That thing don't even want to hit, does it?
No.
Oh, you hit was me. Piece of crap. It had a good run, few years. Let's go. Okay, gut.